back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to customize breathing exercises in Breathwrk. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to customize your breathing exercises in Breathwrk, all you can do is simply tap open your Breathwrk application or website. So you can customize your breathing exercises in Breathwrk by manually adjusting the inhale, hold, and exhale times within the app itself or website that provides you the link to it. So to match your desired rhythm and focus, you can simply customize it according to your time. You can simply create a code like 444-555 patterns. You can also choose from a variety of pre-made exercises or simply adjust elements like durations and focus to your suiting, or simply focus on your suitability to customize it. So this way you can simply customize breathing exercises and breathwork. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.